I said this is stupid site. I'll say yes. Hold on, I'm thinking. What are you doing?
Pero principal mo na.
Finally, I got out. I think I'm gonna go somewhere. Hey, we're going to my house. I know, it's awesome here. We're going. That's what you get in my world. You're making my house messy and then guys, I look outside. Like and subscribe so I can like this. No. You're done. I'll just like going down. I'll dig straight down. No, don't see. No. Blind, block me, block me. Block me up, block me up. Finally, you blocked me. I have a cheat way. I'm an expert. I'm a break this. What the? Cheating. I have enough. I have enough of this. Woo! Happy New Year, world! I've escaped. Subscribe if I want, so I can build Saisaya Mansion. Yo, man, you see it. Don't worry, I'll subscribe so I can help Sai. Wow, there's a lot. Wow, guys, there's a lot of light. Why are you leaving me? Pig and chicken. I'm gonna get some carrots. Carrots. Did you kill the pig? Oh my god, how demolish a pig. And imagine it like you were a pig. Oh my god. blank.
Kasi dapat din yung malaking kotse.
I'm gonna make the picture.
Oh, okay na.
They doodle.
Oh!
Kaya ako nag-give up, Ma'am Lia.
Ay!
Ipamimigay ko na lang.
Sige, bye.
Nag-give up po niya na.
Ano pa, pwede na po, overload. Okay, ba? Yun.
Siyempre, 1 hour is
Ay,
kailangan. Tapos
Ay,
ayun to,
4 hours.
Oh my God, Kuya Dylan, I'm gonna bring some. I'm happy. Why? Pig farm. At the beginning, guys, Sai knows that I'm a pig.
Okay, you wait till it's certain.
He almost picked a pig man.
Magbibig ka ba yun? So ano man? Mag-give up ka man, whether you like it or not, you have to give up man. Kaya bakit mo may So ito may give up, pwede nga tayo po. Kaya na yun, ha? Hindi lang magliligaw. Sabi naman.
Friday kumain mo na?
Oh, Friday. Whole morning and Friday.
3 to 4.
Kuya Dylan, where's the rope?
At least may pahuway.
There's no rope. Why?
Kasi,
It's a fake Minecraft.
Kasi Sir Kalik, ay naman galit niya. Isip na ulo sa oras mo titinurabit na isa.
We're going home.
Lagi pa kami yung teachers.
Carrot pigs. Just do that. I'm just gonna refix your house
Ano, sige.
into a new upgrade. Promise not destroying.
Friday, makakakuan ko niya. Pero sige ako na lang.
Para makimam suya is nagkaroon mo. Sa kaiban kita mo sa speaker.
Are you lost, Sai Sai? Oh man, how bad. You just run away. Find your way. Oh, they anak again. They doodle again. Where are you? Grading your house. I'm
Kulang
lost.
man daw in here.
Where are you?
4 hours of 4 days man lang
I'm
ay
lost.
Friday wala man niyo. 5 times 5.
Let me find you.
25 light.
I'm in a pig.
Liwat!
No.
Got it.
Ano, bahi ako na mapagpasok.
So your vision will be much easier to find.
Dapat 5 hours. Kaya dapat 360. 360.
Damn, good.
Bali 6 hours per day.
Do you now forgive me?
30 hours dapat. So kung ihapon na, kung lilima ka lang,
Where
lilima ka lang sa
am I?
kasimana. Awit,
I'm
days na,
lost.
135. So, 5 times 2 hours.
Oh man.
5 times...
Parang kanong shared ada. Aw kan Ma'am M.
Dili, ma-economic advisory class. 6 times
Where are
24.
you?
Kulang lang.
Find.
6 hours. Mga 6 subjects dapat.
Can you find me?
Ano mga subject? Kaya gusto nga advice.
I don't know. I'm busy at your house.
Tatay Asya.
You're
Iba kasi
lying.
aton design.
You're never
So,
busy.
pag uno may kiyo subject, di sa niyo may advisory.
I'm really busy. Okay.
For this one, laban, hinga naman ang
You're
advisory.
making my house.
Ganun is what I advise her.
You're lying.
Oo.
Yes, I am totally upgrading it.
So,
What did you do to my house? I'm upgrading it.
428. Underload pa nga na 2 hours.
Do you want to get slaughtered?
Away naman mga ancillary kuan.
Sai, please, forgive me. Look at
ano
me.
yung mga kuhan kontak?
Tabunon talaga
Campus
ito eh.
journalism.
Yan mga mo, di magkakaasal, di man permanente.
Yeah, I'm running
Ito,
away.
everything nga kung sabay ka
Running
ng guidance
away.
counselor.
Bye-bye. Okay,
Wait, SSLG.
you do that. I'm just gonna stay here. Sorry.
Posibilidad sa niya.
Ay, sila na. Madiretso na kita. Hindi kita kabalugog.
Kabataan ko.
Why I'm making my house into a mess. You call this a mess? It's not a mess. Look, what happened to this? No, don't break it.
Oh, sabi oriented, ma'am.
That's, oh no, I'm losing vision. Oh my god. So I said don't destroy it or else. I'm gonna give you. Wait, I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna give you some your dump. Oh thanks, but sorry it's too late.
Oh,
Kaya anak-anak, diri ko pinis ko
Look
yung
at
para maghawan.
my It's ugly.
May ko na hagawas.
I want to see my room if it's okay. Can you, in that upstairs, can you just make
Ano problema ka, Jack? Talagang ano yun.
Kuya Dylan?
Bisa natin yamaya ka.
That's what I'm making, a room. Oh.
Ang talaga niya.
Break the door.
Tanggap naman niya.
Break the door. I'm sorry, okay? Don't just raise
Bisa
it.
natin ya pero kuha natin ya.
I'm so angry. Oh my god.
Gihap ata.
But a lot of this work, now you're angry? Yeah, I'm still angry. Why? Oh my god. Don't, oh my gosh, me. Ugly, look. You made a mess, look. What even is this?
Sakto lang kay master teacher ko ani tiya 6.
What even is this?
Principal po na nga na may niya.
Anak, kasi nakalik kasi ko wala ko nahuna. Wala ka Friday. Tag 4 days lang ngayon tag klase. Madalat ka Thursday.
Ano na yun ba yung klase, Jim?
Hey.
So it will be so kung ano mo
Okay, I'm
ano
gonna
yung
run
subject
away.
o unum lang wala nim advisory class 6 times 4
Okay, bye. I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna sacrifice myself, Kuya Dylan.
so by sa kulit o unum itin
Make sure you're creative mode so you're not gonna die. That's not true. I'm still gonna die. Fine.
bisan kapag ibutan
You know a ways how you're gonna die in creative mode? Go to the void. That's how you die.
vacation service credit pero
Void is the only thing in the life. Wow, this is I'm too young. But they might like, hey mommy, what you doing?
Asya lang ngayon gihap
Ow,
ano mo PE iya nga dala gihap talaga ha
ow.
o unumitin plus PE
So Sai said he wants a farm, so I'm gonna make a farm. Guys, I'm trying my best to make Sai calm down.
nalilisa nagkukulang kita yung maestra kasi syempre pinangingibaran mo wala tag 5 lang 5 times 4 is 20 kasi dapat 30
Oh wow, this house is already glowing up. Do I think I want need this? Let's go. I'm burning. What are burning? The nature. Bandelo sa radyo. Bandelo sa radyong sira. May nang nanunog dyan sa isang lugar na nanunog. I'm gonna blame it. I'm gonna say the villagers that you did it. What are you all this? Wow, Sai is really evil. Oh my. Why Sai is overreacting? A mosquito. Yeah. Yeah. Mosquito. Where is it? Here. And real life, guys, me and Dylan are just sitting down. We're gonna make you pay. What gonna make me pay? Don't. Why would you make me everything? Even the water, I'm gonna burn down. That's what I call evil. So you call me evil? Wow. Wake up, listen, today sit and realize, tell them to wait it, oh, wow. They don't look everything I did. That's everything I did to you, Dylan. Look what I did to your house. Yeah. What kind of room is this? What room is this? Whose room is this, bro? Get out. I'm building. And it doesn't have a door. And it doesn't have a door. I'm gonna break this glass. So I can get out. Look. Make a door. Yeah, you have to make a door. You have to make a door. What is that? I'm gonna break it. No, Sai, don't break it. You know what? If you... Oh my god. Gross. I'm making it more modern, okay? More modern, it's ugly. You know what? I don't wanna build your house. You missed a spot. You break it, that's why. It's ugly. Now I can break this.
Magsaysayan kadi.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I break something pretty above. Oh my. I shouldn't break anything. I hate this. I want the balcony. You made mine. I have enough. You make your house. Since you're making me angry, you build this house. I'm gonna build my house. Hey! I don't want. I'm gonna leave this game. Jeez. I'm gonna leave this game. Why would you leave the game? Because I hate you. Fine. Oh! Did you not do that? Jeez, I was pranking. Oh my god. Such a baby. Excuse me? What did you just call me? Baby? Why? Sai. What? Whenever you say baby, yeah, I say Sai. Like you. This bitch like you. I'll stay. You're the one that break my house, and you're making me modern house. Yeah. Say, you wanna build this a city? No. I'm gonna build this a city. Build a city. Yeah. I'm going far.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Then
5,
I'm going far.
6.
This is what I'm talking about. Kuya Dila, what happened to this? The wood. I'm gonna break the wood. Gonna break the wood. Look, I break the wood. I was gonna build a third floor. I don't want a third floor.
Induction.
It's just wasting our time. I'm gonna build my house. Hey, you're gonna live at my house. You're not gonna make your own house. You already made your own room. Yeah.
Ada pala kisikan ni.
You're chatting, aren't you?
Pala. Sharp.
Tukar, Surayaw.
Sige, oo, sige. Sige, Ma'am Maricel, unahin. 1, 2, 3,
Why 5?
4, 5. Sigurado ini natin.
Damn, no.
Damn,
I want to play.
Hain mo cellphone na kakuan.
Look at guys, Dylan destroyed the nature. Oh my god, you're the one who did it, babe. Guys, look at Dylan destroyed the nature.